Hey neighbors, how you doing? It's Miss C, and I'm back, and that's a matter of fact. I'm back, y'all, with a little surprise. I got a package. So you know what time it is. I got a package. I got a package. I got a package. Hey, 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 hey. Package time. So let's get it in. Y'all know I love receiving stuff. I love to give because I'm a giver. But when them blessings come back to bite you in your ass, I'm here for it, baby. I'm here for it all day, every day. That's right. That's right. I said it. All day, every day. All right, I got another set. Their cure for stress. Somebody know. Somebody been praying for me. Have you been praying for me? If you have, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, because I have been going through, and it hasn't necessarily been stressful. It just has been emotionally hard. But this is what I have received in today's package. In today's, I've got a package. And I'm glad about it. So glad about it. Hey, so glad about it. So let's see what kind of titles it have in here. It has 4 CDs. And I know y'all youngins don't listen to CDs no more. But I still have a CD player in my vehicles. So I can still listen to them. And that's the best place to listen to something encouraging, motivational, inspirational is in a car, because that's where people have the most road rage. Babe, I never seen people get so angry before on the road. They cussing each other out. They flicking each other, throwing the bird. They just want to get out and fight. Why are they so angry? I don't know. I don't know why they so angry. Oh, and don't get in nobody parking space at Walmart. You have to be ready to almost lose your life at Walmart when it comes to a parking spot. Or at the mall, oh, I do my shopping early in the morning, because the early bird catches the worm, which is the sales. Or late at nighttime when everybody supposed to have they behind in their house sleep. That's when your girl likes to shop. But back to this right here. This one, God's answer to weariness. God's answer. So that's good, because if you focus on what God say about the situation, you can get your thinking out the way, so you can see the way to be on your way. You like that? I just made that up. Clever. I'm clever. Okay. This too. Nothing is outside of God's control. Did you hear that? I'm going to say that one more again. Because sometimes we feel as though our situation is too big for us and God. But sometimes we need a little reminder that there is nothing bigger or greater than our God. So it says nothing is outside of God's control. That means just because it's out of our control and we can't find no way to fix it or get out of that situation or maneuver around it, chill out. Take a deep breath. Ooh, that was that was too deep. That was a real deep one. Okay, take a deep breath. Okay, hold it. Hold that thing. Y'all know how to hold it. All y'all out there that didn't, you got a little lifted before. Y'all know how to hold it. Don't play with me. You gotta hold that breath. Let the body circulate the oxygen and release. Relax, relate, release. Okay? And then say, Lord, have thine own way with this situation. I don't know what to do. I feel overwhelmed. I feel like I'm too small to handle this big situation. I need your guidance. I need you to tell me what to do. I need you to tell me how to react. I need you to tell me which road to take, which person to trust, which business deal to accept or reject, what person to marry so I won't be tied to the wrong person for the rest of my life. The right friends that won't get me into trouble but help keep me out of trouble and to help me mature and grow so I can be a beautiful, productive, blessed person that's an asset in every situation in my life. You don't think God will do it? Well, something lied to you. Because God will. He love you. He care for you. So just know nothing is outside of God's control. He control everything. Even when things seem messed up, messed off, all messed up, all the way to the left. Because you know it ain't right. Do you hear me? You know it ain't right. You know what them people did was wrong. You know. Slavery was wrong. The Holocaust was wrong. Killing all the Indians up was wrong. All that stuff was wrong just so someone can have the power over everybody. Can't no one power or one race of people have power over everything. That's unequal. That's not never going to happen. God is a just God. So because we've been taught and be beat down to think that one particular group of people is better than another, the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. It's what you feel, what you know about yourself. Who are you? And once you know who you are, you can put everybody in their place where they supposed to be. So you can do what you need to do. Amen. The third disc says, give your soul a vacation. I can't wait to listen to that one. Because my soul definitely needs vacation. My body too. Go somewhere where there's a nice beach. With some blue or greenish water. I love Galveston. I do. I done stayed down the freeway from it all my life. But that brown water just don't compare to what I have seen around the world. Have you ever been to Cozumel, Mexico? Oh my Lord. at Mr. Sancho's. Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. That water on that beach, it looked like a blue bed. You just want to lay in it and float. The only thing is, it got sharks in that water. And they come up and bite you on your ass. If you stay in there long enough. But I can sit down at the bar on one of them lounge chairs and look at that water all day and all evening long. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I can't wait to get back. And 7 Mile Beach in the Grand Cayman Islands. Yeah, Grand Cayman Islands. Because I've been to the Bahamas. And I've been to Jamaica. But I actually stayed in Grand Cayman Islands. And the meat patties. Ooh, and them rum cakes. And that water. That beautiful water. It just hypnotizes you. It just take you away. So yeah. My soul and my body need to go on another vacation. Number 4. Give God your all. I would definitely need to listen to that one too. Give God your all. Who are you giving your all to? Who do you feel is more important than God in your life? Is it you, your parents, your friend, your boo thing, your shorty, your whatever, the love of your life, your partner, your job, career, your kids, the next door neighbors? I don't know. But who are you giving your all to? It's time to prioritize. It's time to put things in their right order. And you grown, so I'm going to let you figure it out. But it ain't people. I know that. You cannot put your 100% trust in people. Because people are people. And people are fickle. One day they feel like this. The next day they feel like that. So how you gonna put your trust, all your trust, and I mean all, I don't mean a little bit, I mean all your trust in one person? You setting your own self up for failure. Sometimes it's hard for us to trust ourselves in the late night hour. I'm preaching good now. I'm preaching good. I'm preaching good now. Shoot, sometime in the daytime, it's hard. We go through all kind of stuff. So put God in the place he should be. If he controls all, then you should know that he's a good God and he will love you and he will take care of you. But if you got him on the back burner, simmering, saying, Lord, I'll be with you in a minute, and you on the front of the stove, boiling it up, cooking up all kind of mess and drama and stuff, what you think gonna happen? That pot gonna boil over and it's gonna get messy. Messy and dirty. All I'm saying. So, does anybody got a little stress they need the cure? Let your girl know. Let your girl. Why I'm putting this back up in there? Let your girl know. And that's it, y'all. Before I got a package, it was 1 good, blessed resource of the month. And I'm blessed by it, and I can't wait to listen to it. I know it's going to have some good stuff on it. But until I see you next time, neighbor, just know one thing. Missy love you. And I want the best for you, your family, your life. And learn what's important now. Right now. In your life. So you can do the things you need to do. So you can live your best life today. Because tomorrow is not promised to no man. I don't care how young or old you may be. There's not a guarantee that tomorrow morning you will be alive. That sounds grim, and nobody wants to think about death. But it's sure, do you hear me? It's sure that you are living and breathing today. One day you will not. Because anything that's alive must die. And anything that dies will live again one day. And when you die and it's time for you to live again for eternally, forever, ever, I want you to know without a shadow of a doubt where you are going to end up, where you are going to be. You better think about that now instead of later. People want to do all kind of stuff in their life and never think about that till it's the end. Sometimes you don't get that opportunity to make up your mind and go through what you need to go through, that process of asking for forgiveness and saving your soul. I know some of y'all might get tired of me preaching, but this is what God has put in me. And I'm trying to reach any and everybody that don't know the one who can save all, no matter the situation. His name is Jesus. They call him other stuff. But I know one thing. At night, when the time is right and the devil is on the search to bite, gotta keep you tight. That was good. Bars, okay? B-Love ain't the only one got bars. Man, hold up. I did that, baby. When the devil is out to bite, gotta keep you tight. Lord have mercy. Y'all know. Y'all know I'm silly. And ain't nothing wrong with it. Because it's me, Miss C, in the place to be. Right here on miss.ccorner. Thank you for coming to chill with me. And watch me open up my package. Because I love opening stuff. I love surprises. I love gifts. Which woman, what woman don't? Okay? I've never met a woman that don't like gifts. I've never met one. But I thank you for coming to join me. And I truly do appreciate it. But till next time, I need you to hit that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. The-ling-ling-ling. Okay? And let them know you want all my beautiful content. Because it's good. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I say like, comment, share, subscribe. So I can see you next time, neighbor. Bye.